Unit 7, Chapter 1, Traffic Rules. 1. Listen, learn, and read aloud. Hey children, you must often travel with your parents, don't you? This song will tell us about the traffic rules which we have to follow while traveling. Let's read the poem. When you go out into the street, in your vehicle or on your feet, look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure, and fine. To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Traffic signal for vehicles. Have you seen a traffic signal? Which colors does it show? It shows 3 colors: red, yellow, and green. You have seen? Yes. Well, each color tells us something, what we need to do. If a signal changes to the color red, stop at once. Don't go ahead. Get ready. Be very careful when it turns yellow. When it turns green, it is safe to go. Obey the rules without much fuss and reach home safe. You are precious. 2. Look at the words and enact the proper actions. Come on, children, do these actions. Get ready. Go. Stop. 3. Listen and write. Children, spell the words properly. W-A-T-C-H. The letters make the word watch. G-O. Yes, the word is go. S-T-O-P. Stop. W-I-T-H-O-U-T. Without. F-E-E-T. Yes, you know the word. It is feet. S-T-R-E-E-T. Street. G-R-E-E-N. Green, the color which says go. R-E-D. Red. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Walking. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G. Crossing. Y-O-U-R. Your. R-E-A-D-Y. Ready. U-S-E. Use. R-U-L-E-S. Rules. 4. Make as many smaller words as possible from the words given below. Auto rickshaw. The smaller words that can be made from the word auto rickshaw are or, to, as, auto, rickshaw, to, air, war, cat, hat, has, how, show, etc. Try to find more such words. I'm sure you can find many more. Similarly, let's find smaller words from the word motorcycle. Me, my, two, cot, lot, cycle. You also try to find other such words. 5. Describe any vehicle of your choice in 2 or 3 lines. I have a bicycle. It is violet in color. It has 2 wheels and a bell which rings tring tring. I like riding my bicycle.